In this session, we are going to learn about what is this equal sign and what is this double equal sign. So the first equal sign is called the assignment operator, and the second sign, that is the double equal to sign, is called the comparison operator. First, we are going to see what this assignment operator is. The symbol inside round brackets comes under assignment operator and is denoted by equal sign. It is used in Python to assign values to variables. For example, a is equal to 5. It is a simple assignment operator that assigns the value 5 on the right to the variable a on the left. Now this value 5 is going to store in this variable a, and this whole process is done with the help of this assignment operator. Now if I want to print this a as an output, I will write print, and in brackets I will mention the variable a. This variable a will call its value, which is 5, and print out the output as 5. Now if I don't want to print a as simple and I want to perform some mathematical operations, so we can either go for multiplication operator or we can go for addition operator. So for this example, I am going for addition operator and I am going to add 20 in it. So again, a will call its value, which is 5, and it will then add it to 20, and it will give me my output as 25. Here, for example, I take a is equal to 5 and b is equal to a and c is equal to b, and I am going to print the variable c here. So if I run this program, it will give me my output as 5. Why? Because this 5 is going to be assigned to a. This a, the value of a, which is 5, is going to be assigned to b, and the value of b, which is indirectly is 5, is going to be assigned to c, and I am printing this c here. So it will print this value 5 in my output. Again, I take the values as a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20, and I will take a new variable sum for adding these two variables, and I am calling sum. So if I run this program, the output will be 30. Why? Because this 10 is going to be assigned to this a, this 20 is going to be assigned to b, then the addition of these two variables occur here, and the output will be this a will call this 10 and this b will call this 20, and the result will be 30, and this 30 is going to be assigned to this variable sum. So if I call this variable sum to print, it will call this value 30 and it will print my result as 30. Now after assignment operator, there is a comparison operator. So let's see what this comparison operator is. The symbol inside round bracket comes under comparison operator and is denoted by double equal to sign. Comparison operator is used to compare the two values. For example, here I have a is equal to 5. This value 5 is going to be compared with whatever the value stored in this variable a. So here this value 5 is going to be compared with whatever the value stored in this variable a. So for example, let's say the value of a is 5. So if I write this statement inside the brackets of print function, so here I will write print in brackets a is equal to 5. So this print function will compare the value of a with 5. So the output will be true. So it is giving me my output in boolean. Now let's say if I drop the value of 5 and instead of 5 the value of a is now 7. In this scene the value of a is 7 and we are comparing the value of a, which is 7, with 5. So now the output will change to false. Here for example, I take a is equal to 10 and if I write print and in brackets a is equal to 10 and if I run this program, it will give me my output as true. Why? Because this a is calling the value 10 and this 10 is comparing with this 10. So my output will be true. In another example, let's try to print 5 is equal to 7. So if I run this program, it will give me my output as false. So you know why? Because this 5 is comparing itself with 7. So now it is false. Like in many other programming languages, in Python also a single equal marks is used to assign a value to a variable, whereas two consecutive equal marks is used to check whether two expressions are equal or not. Thank you for watching my video. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe my channel. Jai Hind.